Come test drive the 2021 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, backup sensor, lane departure warning, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.